Hello all, welcome to this video. The agenda of this video is to explain how we can use this clickable ebook piping engineering topic, which is covering the piping engineering topics, how we can navigate through this ebook and how we can download the file. So let us start with the agenda. This is the overall interface which is available on this ebook. If you see, there are various sections. Broad category, this is the section where all the broad categories are mentioned. Then subcategory, if you click over any of the topics, then subcategories will be highlighted here. Against each subtopic there will be few questions which will be listed here, and this is the answer section. Okay, in this portion the social media links are mentioned. So this is overall view. So what we have done, each topic is divided into subtopic. Each subtopic is has got list of questions, which is nothing but the agenda of the topic, which is categorized into the questions. So all the listed questions along with the extremely useful information have been answered in the video format, which will be mentioned here against each subcategory. Okay, so more than 100 questions have been answered through more than 200 videos. For any additional question, you can always send me an email or through WhatsApp or Telegram link. We can always discuss that, or you can drop a message again below the particular video. So let us go through few of the topics one by one. We'll try to understand how it works. For example, if you click over valves, these are the subtopics. Okay, so you see 21 videos have been uploaded against each topic. Okay, 120 questions have been answered. So if you see butterfly valve, isolation valve, all the category regulation, non-return, okay, double triple offset, these kind of categories are there. Against each category there will be few questions. You go through the questions. If you think these are it is worth to click over this to go to the video to get all these answers, then click over this and go to the video. If you think you know all these answers, then you can go to the next topic. So this way you can scroll down all these topics. Okay, valve operation, overall plot plan, unit plot plan, pipe rack, pump piping, exchanger piping, column piping. Okay, for example, functioning of column layout. These are the subcategories. Against each subcategory there are few questions listed here, and if you see 8 videos are there, 8 topics are there, 55 questions have been answered. If you want to go to particular topic, select check out the question, go to the answers. If you want to check out all the subtopics, then click over the consolidated list. It will bring you to the playlist of all these videos, which will be sequenced in the mentioned manner only. So just put your headphones on and watch the videos to get all these 55 answers. So this is how this has been organized here. Similarly, isometric management, all these topics have been mentioned along with the questions and video links. So along with that, few general topics have been covered. These 6 videos are there related to email etiquettes, handling framing, formal and casual email, how to write subject, postscripts and signature in the email. MS Excel, 2 videos are there, 30 minutes each. So you can go through each to refresh your basics and advanced Excel commands. Okay, then covering letter is there. We have taken a specific job description of a piping designer and created actual covering letter for this. So these are very interesting things. Freelancing platform, it is a very beautiful concept which is available free of cost to all of us. We have selected one of the best freelancing platform. We have created genuine actual profile for that platform, which will be very useful if you want to create a profile. So go through that. This will be very useful. Many piping related jobs are also available these days. There is some personal message also, future topics how we are going to cover. Okay, then social media links are there. You can click over each and every topic to go to any of the links. So subscribe button is also there. Endorse me on LinkedIn. If you like any of the topics, you can go to that part and you can tell what kind of topic you liked and what are the various things you would like to share with others also. Okay, so don't forget to share with your friends. Make small groups. Select each one of the topics per week, per day, subtopic or topic, and share with your friends. Okay, so this way small groups will be formed, each and healthy discussion will be there, and more queries will be there, more answers will be there, so more knowledge can be shared that way. So keep sharing all these things along with your friends. Downloading link will be there in the description box. 2-3 options are there. Even if you don't get any of those options, you send me a message through email or anywhere, I'll send you the PDF file. There is no issue. Okay, so these are all the things, and this file will be best working on desktop, so try to use it on desktop only. Mobile version is very difficult to make, many links are not working. Okay, you can try this on your mobile. Many mobiles are these days are hi-fi, so they may give you best output, but few links on subcategory are not working on mobile, so I suggest you use this file on desktop or laptop. So this way this will be very useful. So stay tuned, see you in the next part.